this chemistry digital class. As you know that we are doing from few days, from few last days we are doing carbon and its compound. Okay, if I will tell about carbon and its compound, we have done so many things, and now we are almost in the end topic of this particular chapter, carbon and its compound. Between that chapter is divided into two parts. First, we will study the information about carbon. So many things we did about carbon. Here we studied the unique property of carbon. Which was the first unique properties of carbon. So can you tell what are the unique properties of carbon? Yes, Vanshita. Unique properties of carbon. Fast. Vanshita Thakur, 10th green. No response. Why? Yes, Tanisha.
Tetravalency, catenation, allotropy.
Yes, first was catenation, second tetravalency, fourth allotropy. Third allotropy, fourth covalency. Okay, these are the basic properties. Then in that which we have done allotropy we did in detail. So there are diamond. Yes, which three allotrope of carbons are there?
Graphite, fullerene.
Yes, diamond, graphite and fullerene are the three basic allotrope of carbon, where we discuss generally the structure of diamond graphite, property of diamond graphite and structure of fullerene in detail. Okay. Then the third thing that we did from about carbon is its hydrocarbon nature. We discussed that hydrocarbon is of two types, which is saturated and unsaturated. So basically these are alkane and alkyne. Alkene is single bonded carbon. Alkane is single bonded carbon. Alkene is double bonded carbon, and alkyne are triple bonded carbon. Am I right? We did what? Yes, after this, Rishita.
Sir, about
Electron dot
structure.
Okay, electron dot structure also. Isomerism, we did isomerism. We did homologous, right?
Yes, sir.
Isomerism and homologous series we did a lot.
Yes, sir.
After that, we did electron dot structure. Electron dot structure of hydrocarbons. Electron dot structure of hydrocarbons. Yeah. Then after that, we did most important nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature. We understood how to give the name to hydrocarbons. How to give the name to hydrocarbons, that is nomenclature. Okay. After this, we did chemical properties of carbon. We did chemical properties of carbon, in which how many different chemical properties are there? How many different type of chemical properties are there? First is combustion. Second is addition.
oxidation.
Third is oxidation. Fourth is
Substitution.
In all those hydrocarbons, those we are studying in this particular chapter, these are going under these four basic chemical properties. Okay, this was the first side of the chapter. About carbon. When we studied this chapter was a little lengthy, so I taught you in detail also. Now if I will tell about the second part of the chapter, that is about its compound. So what are the important compounds of carbon? that we studied yesterday. There are basically two important compounds. First is ethanol, second is ethanoic acid. Right? First is ethanol, second is ethanoic acid. What is the formula of ethanol? Eth. How many carbon is there in it? Riya Sharma, how many carbon is there in it? You tell
Sir,
me.
formula.
You tell.
Sir, CH3,
CH3,
CH2, OH.
2OH. Whereas formula of ethanoic acid is
Sir, CH3COOH.
CH3COH. Now, why this formula is there? What is the word first? Eth. How many carbon will be there in it?
2.
2. There is 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Second, what is the nature of bond? N, single, double, triple. N.
Single bond.
Single bond. Single bond. Now, what is the functional group last? What is the functional group last? OL. OL. Of which functional group?
OH.
OH.
कौन सा function group है? Alcohol. Whereas here ec acid. Ec acid is function group of
Carboxylic acid.
carboxylic acid. Where we studied this? In this chapter, ये function group about where we studied in this. Are under which topic we studied the name of function group and name?
Nomenclature.
Nomenclature.
Nomenclature. Okay. Then after this, where now again watch that video, and in that video complete information is there. But here also, dear student, one commercial compound is there which we are using in our day-to-day life, that is soap and detergent. You are using or not in your daily life? What is soap? What is soap? कपड़े धोने का साबुन यूज करते हैं कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you come to know, I think today, acha, soap is carbon compound. It means that carbon is there inside soap. This you come to know or not? Now how
Yes,
soap
sir.
will work? How soap is removing the dirt? How soap is constructing? What is the structure of soap? What is the formula of soap? All those things you will come to know when you will watch that video which I am going to share after. Complete information will be there. Same thing is detergent. Now you have to see what is the difference between soap and detergent. Which is better? Soap is better or detergent is better? What are the mechanism of detergent to remove the dirt? That is called cleansing action of soap. Cleansing action. It's called cleansing action of soap. Meaning that soap is somewhere cleaning. Soap का काम क्या है? Clean करना है. It is cleaning some dirt. So how it is cleaning? That we are going to study, and that will be there in this video. Okay. Now sir is calling us for give you that key homework is that after watching that video till next Wednesday, complete the exercise of your this chapter 4. And when you will come to school, you need to submit your notebook. You need to show me notebook. I will check entire notebook from chapter 1 to chapter 4. Okay. So keep your work ready. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much. Chalo, you can leave now.